The Durafold Premium is a versatile, lightweight, and durable table. Measuring 3 foot by 3 foot, it fits easily into any vehicle for convenient transport. Parts were manufactured, fabricated, and assembled in the CME labs using fiber epoxy composites. Our table surface is a sandwich composite with a bottom face sheet, foam core with wood lining, and a top face sheet. We applied epoxy to a flat surface and wetted out the carbon fiber face sheet and fiberglass structural layers. We then placed a foam core with wood sides on top and applied vacuum pressure during curing. The process was repeated for the top layer of the table. Vacuum pressure was applied again during the curing process. For the table legs, we needed a tool to shape the curved legs. Using CAD software, we designed the curve and printed a template for foam layers. A CNC router cut the contour board, and we glued the foam and boards with epoxy. We laid up fiberglass layers on our plug to create a tool for the legs. The legs consisted of alternating woven fiberglass and unidirectional fiberglass layers in a honeycomb structure. A vacuum call plate was used to distribute pressure. The process was repeated for the top layer of the legs. We then attached the leg parts to the rectangular panel and cured under vacuum pressure. Once the part was fully cured, we applied a carbon fiber face sheet to its exterior. The L-shaped brackets were laid up on a U-channel tool. They consisted of woven carbon fiber face sheets and fiberglass structural layers. The part was cured under vacuum. The side panels were laid up on a flat tool with woven carbon fiber face sheets and woven fiberglass structural layers. The parts were cured under vacuum. After composite part manufacturing, the parts were trimmed to size. Straight cuts were made on the bandsaw, drilled on the drill press, and curved cuts were made using a jigsaw. We did a dry fit test with our folding mechanism, legs, and L-shaped brackets. The parts were then fastened to the table. Our 3D printed folding mechanism was then glued into place. The table was then tested to see how long it took to unfold. The table met our expectations with an unfold time of 48 seconds. The size of our collapsed table was measured and was verified by fitting it into a trunk of a standard sedan. The collapsed size met our expectations by measuring 7 inches tall, and it fit easily into the trunk of a car. The stability of the table was tested by applying a 30-pound load to one end of the table without it tipping. The table passed this test. The overall strength of the table was tested by applying a uniform load to the table surface. The table was able to stand 100 pounds of uniform load without exceeding our safety factor. The table can also easily fit 4 people sitting comfortably, and our tests confirm that it is lightweight, durable, and convenient to use.